What are you doing? You look so serious.
Oh, hi there. Look what I found in the internet.
What is it?
This is a Linux operating system that we can use for free and develop our own.
Develop? What does it mean?
Yes, Linux can be developed by yourself, but to develop it takes a lot of learning and patience.
It was extraordinary. Then why are you looking at this Linux article?
I'm interested to installing it on my computer.
But why? You already have a Windows. What are you going to do with Linux?
About that, I want to learn and do many things, such as installing the DNS server, Apache server, and making a server to provide IP address for client and many more.
But it can also be done in Windows.
As I said earlier, Linux is a free operating system that allows users more freely in developing things.
Then where will you start? And how are you going to operate it?
To start, I will install it first. Then, because Linux requires user to create an account to log in and operate it, so best for me to do the installation independently.
I'm still confused about how for you to be able to do many things on Linux.
All of that will be answered with the terminal feature in Linux that allow user to do many things that I have mentioned earlier.
Terminal, it is some kind of command prompt in Linux.
Yes, it is. A Linux terminal, it's a text-based and its use require practice in order to easily operate and develop it.
I still think that Windows is better, but because it is free and can be developed by myself, maybe it's the future I will try to use it.
Yes, I think you also need to try it.
Is there any other software besides Linux?
Yes, of course. If you want to know more about software, let's see the kinds of software and explanation in this video.
Okay, let's see together.
Good morning from us, ladies and gentlemen who are watching our video right now. In this opportunity, we will present material about software. My name is Vansia Kanarubun. First, I will explain to you about software. Software is a set of electronic data that is stored and controlled by a computer device. The electronic data includes instructions or programs that will carry out special commands. Software is also referred to as a part of the system in a computer that doesn't have a physical form that is installed on a computer or laptop so that it can be operated. There are several types of software in the computer operating system, including operating system, application software, and programming language.
Hello, my name is Wahyuni Nur Aliagani. I will explain to you about an example of a software application is Microsoft Office Word. How to use Microsoft Word? To use Microsoft Word, the first step is click the Start menu, then go to step 2, select all programs. After that, then select Microsoft Office. Select Microsoft Office Word, then a Microsoft Word window will open. Select blank document, then the next new document will be created.
Another example of a software application is the recycle bin. To use the recycle bin, first, right-click on the recycle bin and select Properties. After that, you can determine where the recycle bin will be accommodated on one of the hard disk partition that you have. And to adjust the recycle bin capacity on the custom size menu. And okay.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rasikuna, and right now I'm gonna explain the things about Java. First, the reason why we should learn to use Java. The reason is because this programming language has several advantages, such as it can run on different operating systems. Then this programming language is included in OOP programming, or object-oriented programming, so that programmers find it easier to compile programs using this language. Besides that, this language also has a library that complete so that it will be very easy for programmers, and this is an era where Android smartphones are very widely used. Applications in Android smartphones are both using the Java language, so there are also many programmers who use this language because it is in high demand. And now I'm gonna show you the steps for using the Java. First, the steps is writing Java program code. The second step is compile, and then the third step, running the program. And now I'm gonna show you the example of simple Java code. And just like I said it before, first write the Java program code. And this is my code, and then compile it. After you compile, you run it, running the program, and the result will be green like this. 20 is greater than 18. I think that's all for my presentation, the things about Java. For the attention, I say thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity that you give to me. Hello, my name is Moren Munio. The second example is Microsoft PowerPoint. To use Microsoft PowerPoint, first create a new slide, click New, and then select the blank presentation. Okay, like this. Select Advanced or Presentation Slide Design. Click the Design tab and select Design in the Dance group according to our wishes. Just as an example, I will use this. Start inserting material or information into the presentation slide. I will give example. Okay, like this. Click on the layout box provided to type the text like this. To add a new slide, click on the slide thumbnail to the left of the slide and then press the enter key. Okay. To change the text layout, select the home tab to click the layout button in the slide. After that, we select the desired layout. For example, I will use this. Thank you and see you.
My name is Roger Tomigo. I will explain an example of the operating system, namely Windows. What is Windows and what Windows can do for you? Windows is an operating system made by Microsoft. You can use the computer through the operating system. Windows allows you to complete all the daily tasks on your computer. For example, you can use Windows for browsing, check email, editing digital photos, and listening to music, playing games, and so on. 1. Step using Windows. Get a Microsoft account the very time you use Windows 10 if you don't have one already. Once you sign in, the first thing you see is the desktop. You can think of the desktop as the main workspace for your computer. From here, you can view and manage your files, open applications, access the internet, and much more. If you want to open an application, click the Start button in the bottom left corner. Then choose the desired application. If you don't see the one you want, you can scroll to see a full list of applications. When you done use your computer, it's important to shut it down properly. To do this, click the Start button, then choose Power Shutdown.